What is up, YouTube? Welcome back yet to another video. We're here at the shop, and I know I haven't been recording the progress, but we do have the 426 in the TRX. Now it's literally just wiring everything back up, connecting all the connectors, putting the supercharger back on, throwing on all the front stuff here, the frame, the bumper, the fan, the condenser, throwing everything back on to the front, connecting all the lines, all the AC lines and everything, and then we can start up this truck finally. It's been a long time coming, not that long, but we've been waiting on parts. This truck did get new headers, so American Racing headers, and that took like 3 weeks, like 3-4 weeks to get here, so that really backed us up. But they're in the truck now, and we're making some progress. Right now we're installing the ATI damper. Once we get that installed, we'll start messing with everything else. Alright guys, just installed this damper. For the ATI, you do have to shave down right here on your timing cover. You have to shave it down a pretty good bit, that way it can clear right there. And you have to grind down this bolt right here. Not too difficult, just gotta keep checking and making sure that it clears. So we already went ahead and did that. Now we're gonna install this one right here, which goes something like that, and then we should be done with the dampener. For these right here, it says these get torqued down to 28 foot-pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. Put some blue Loctite on them. Alright guys, we're picking up this video from yesterday. Yesterday we took my Hellcat to get the wrap off. We dropped it off over at Fitment 41. Hopefully that gets done here quick, but today we're gonna be working at the shop. We're here at the shop. We have the TRX that we gotta finish up. TRX. And then we gotta do a tune on this car, so that's what we're gonna do today. Gonna data log and load a new tune on here. It is a mess because we hooked up this AFR gauge, and we got to tuck all the wires. But I will be showing you guys here. If you guys haven't remote tuned before, I'll show you guys the process. It's fairly simple. So you just need a Windows computer to download the software. Show you guys here. So I have already been data logging. I've been data logging and been working on this tune already with this car's getting tuned by Mish. Mish tuned, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, so as I was saying, you go to HP Tuners. I use my hotspot because I'm outside. I don't have internet here currently, but I have an account with them. Just sign in. You don't even have to have an account. You can just go to the HP Tuners website and go right here to downloads. Once you go to downloads, you can download their VCM Suits beta version. The beta version is the one that you need to be using for tuning. Once you download all that, just come over here. If you're remote tuning like I am, this tuner right here sent me a new tune. So they sent me a new tune. I download it. Once it's downloaded, it goes right here. Click on it, and it will open up HP Tuners once you have the system downloaded to your computer. Once you do that, you can go right here to this little red arrow in right vehicle. It will pop this screen up, and you'll be able to put right entire and right calibration for the TCM. Once you do that, I want to put this car on run right here. Don't turn it all the way on, just on run, and put right. It'll start popping up all these lights and start blinking red right here. That's how you know it's loading the tune and doing what it needs to be doing to the PCM and TCM. Alright guys, so we are on the VCM scanner app and we're data logging right now. Pretty straightforward. You just press you either press the space bar or you go up here and you connect to the vehicle and start data logging. Pretty straightforward. Right now we're gonna let it idle for 5 minutes and then go on a 10-minute drive as requested per my tuner. And this is the duration. This is where you can see how long you've been data logging. Alright guys, first attempt at freaking turning this truck on. Just loaded the base tune, so we're gonna get to trying to turn it on. The battery on the camera is low, so let me go ahead and hurry up. Alright. We need more coolant. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm not sure if we're still on the same day or not, but we just loaded another revision for the TRX, the 426 TRX, and here it is. We're about to turn it on. I'm not sure if I've gave you guys a clip of it on with the cam and the new revision, but I'm about to turn it on right now, and it sounds pretty good. It has cats, so if it didn't have cats, this thing would sound absolutely ridiculous. Right now I'm data logging. We gotta let it warm up a little bit more so you guys can actually hear the cam. But once it starts chopping, it sounds pretty good. We're gonna go for a quick little test drive right now. That way I can let it warm up, and that way whenever I come back, you guys can actually hear it chop. And it actually needs some gas too, so we'll stop by to get some fuel. Hopefully it's warmed up enough where you can hear the cam nice and clear. Alright guys, we just got to the gas station. See if you guys can hear the cam a bit better. Alright guys, so a little overview on the truck and what we've done to the truck so far is we went ahead and did 2-inch headers. Not sure if you can, let me get my phone real quick, get some light. But as you can see right there, we got some 2-inch headers. They're not long tube headers, they're mid headers. From American Racing Headers, and we went ahead and did a stage 2. We did a stage 2 cam from Mish Tuned. They sent over their cam kit with everything, springs, retainers, push rods, everything. We went ahead and did that. We also got some ported stock heads. What else did we do? We did a 10% lower pulley. Right now it has a 285 pulley. What else did we do to this? That's pretty much it. It's pretty much like full bolt on. And of course the 426, I totally forgot about the biggest thing. We did a 426 from Texas Speed. Rated for around like 1,300 horsepower, so should be plenty for what this truck is going to put down. It does have a 2.7 Hellcat blower, so right there is limiting us to go above 1,000. We can hit 1,000 on that blower, but I don't think we can go anywhere past 1,100, and I don't think he wants to go that far either way. We still got to build the transmission. That's the next thing that we are going to do to this truck. We're going to go ahead and do like a stage 2 trans. And yeah, it's not much to it, just lower pulley, upper pulley. It does have a triple pump fuel system. What else? Get this pump, 44 bucks. But yeah, has everything. It's really equipped with everything. It has a ported 2.7 blower. It has triple pump fuel system. bigger throttle body, 108 millimeter throttle body. We have 1200 cc injectors. Does still have cats, so that's the only part that sucks about this. It does have cats, so if it didn't have cats, this thing would sound crazy. See if it's chopping a little bit better. Sounds better, I think. Something about that exhaust, I don't know, man. I can barely hear the cam. I hear the engine more than the exhaust. Alright guys, that's pretty much the overview of this truck. Yeah, just need a couple more, few more revisions to get the tune all set, and then we can throw it on the dyno and see what it does. But for now, we're just gonna wait on the revisions and see what's up. As for this car basically got a cam, headers, like I said before. Today we were tuning it. We're pretty much almost done with this tune. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. This one's actually loud. Sounds good.
What are you doing, Dad?
Recording.
Subscribe my channel, Dad. Subscribe my channel.
Jump back in my wheel. I'm straight off the block. Hollows in my Glock. Bitch, I'm my own boss. It's money when I talk. Spent the meal on ice just to get my point across. I fuck up, then I dip. Jump back in my whip. I'm straight off the block. Hollows in my Glock. Bitch, I'm my own boss. It's money when I talk.